Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here today working on the brand new platform blasting system here at Vaporonic Technologies. We've been working with a bunch of scrap parts. Obviously this part's broken. It's not going to be reused. This is for testing and demo. What we wanted to do is show you how to prep these parts and get them ready for a new coating. So what you can see here is all of the intricate detail that I blasted on this part. I wanted to show you how you could remove the coating. This is an ABS plastic. I wanted to show you how you could remove the coating without destroying the piece and get it ready for a new coating. It's an incredibly powerful process to be able to prep things such as plastic, fiberglass, thin aluminum, thin carbon steel panels for whether it's wet paint or powder coating on your steel and your aluminum and stainless. It's an incredible process for that. You don't get the warping, and the biggest thing here is we don't get the dusty mess. This process is incredibly dust-free. You don't have to wear the huge bulky respirators. And I know if you've ever blasted before using a huge pressure pot outside, you know how painful that can be when you have to suit up and it's 100 degrees outside and put a respirator on. So that's one of the things you'll get to see in the video, is how really awesome and dust-free the thing in the process is. And with the water down towards your legs, it's actually helping do almost like an evaporative type cooling with your body. Of course, you're not getting wet, just running across the rain pants and the boots. But amazing, simple, quick, and easy process. If you've ever tried to hand sand and prep a part such as this, you know how time consuming and painful this is. And believe me, we've talked to a lot of body shops here recently about this, and that is one of the biggest pains and problems they have, is getting in here and sanding these parts. You can see some of the tabs that I was able to blast and strip the paint off of, and I did not damage and ruin the tab. Didn't even tear it off. A lot of dry blasting swell. Dry blasting would actually destroy this part entirely. You could burn right through the piece. So that's another key point that I want to mention here. The user friendliness of the wet system and the platform, it's incredible. You don't have to have a highly trained operator to use this process. You know, if you're dry blasting, someone has to know what they're doing. They have to be trained, they have to be experienced, and that takes time. But with the wet system, they can literally watch things start to happen. Again, they're not going to be able to stay on here long enough to do damage because they're going to keep moving as soon as the paint comes off. But it's a fantastic process for anything industrial, auto body repair shops, powder coating, and OEM manufacturers for large parts on the platform system. If you have smaller parts, we have cabinets, many different sizes. The price range is it's a variable range depending on what you need for your application. But if you have questions, call the sales team, give them an email, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help you with what you have an application for. And we do free application testing, so no cost to you. You ship your parts in, or you can show up at the factory and we can help you out. So if you guys have questions, let us know, and we look forward to hearing from you. As always, thanks for watching.